If you want to eject SIM tray on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion in order to insert your SIM card, then first of all we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray. So this is where the SIM tray is located. We need to use an eject tool. You should be able to find yours inside the box. So then we should be able to put it into this SIM tray hole that we have in here. You don't want to mistake it with this one because this is the microphone. So avoid putting it into the microphone, so not damage the microphone. We're gonna put it into this hole over here. And then once it is in, you want to apply a gentle pressure and push it into the phone so that the SIM tray slightly pops out. Then we should be able to use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. This is how the SIM tray looks like. So over here, as you can see, we have the SIM card slot. And unfortunately, we have just one SIM card slot, so we can use only one physical SIM card in here. We just need to match the shape. So let's put it in. It should go in pretty easily. And then we need to put it back into the phone. So we're just gonna slide it in. There we go. It should go in pretty easily. And make sure that it goes all the way in and it does not stick out or anything. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.